Welcome back to the channel. The brand new 70x4K T800 3-channel dash cam, a powerful all-in-one system designed to cover the front, cabin, and rear of your vehicle with stunning clarity. With true 4K recording, smart parking surveillance, and 70m's upgraded AI features, this camera aims to give drivers complete peace of mind. If you're looking for a compact but high-performance dash cam for full coverage, the T800 might be the one. Let's dive in and see what it can really do. 3-channel dual 4K dash cam. This 70mm dash cam features dual 4K, front/rear 3840x2160p, 1080p interior recording, eliminating blind spots with triple-angle coverage. Powered by dual Sony IMX678 STARVIS 2 sensors and 3-channel HDR, it delivers crystal-clear footage in any lighting bright sunlight. Cinematic clarity with patented imaging technology. Experience authentic 4K cinematic quality with 70m's exclusive MyColor Vivid solution, which enhances license plates and road signs while significantly reducing glare. In single-channel mode, enjoy ultra-smooth 4K recording at 60 fps for true movie-like driving footage. 70mm Night Owl Vision for Unmatched Night Vision. 70m's exclusive night vision cuts headlight glare and boosts clarity in urban nights. For 940nm infrared cabin cameras auto-activates in darkness, even capturing backseat details. Ideal for night driving and rideshare safety. 24/7 Parking Guard. This dash cam detects collisions and suspicious activity while parked and sends instant 4G alerts to your phone. Time-lapse recording stretches storage by lowering the frame rate, ideal for long-term parking. 512GB card loop recording. Ready to roll includes a 512GB memory card for instant 4K recording, no extra purchase needed. Loop recording keeps footage seamless, and the built-in G-sensor auto-locks impact clips so crucial evidence is never covered by routine records. The 70x4K T800 packs impressive image quality, intelligent monitoring, and reliable protection into a sleek, easy-to-use setup. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.